What it do? So lean on you niggas. Shout out to Lil Mama, man. It's LA, Cali, West Coast, man. We in this bitch. So like, check me out. Look, what you know about he? What you know about he? So what you know about he? What you know? I said my 4.5 be popping. My 380 is cool. I got assault rifles with the beam on it too. Yeah. So what you know about he? What you know about he? So what you know about he? What you know? I said my 4.5 be popping. My 380 is cool. I got assault rifles with the beam on it too. Niggas be putting salt in this game by being fake. You they wouldn't bust slugs if I had one until they face. Remember disrespected. I busted until I can't. Blow your brains on the wall till it look like fresh paint. I be ready for that drama, be aiming it at your mama. Keep you fresh in the morning and bang it until you sour. Niggas, weenies, and cowards really don't want no problems. Jacking guns that'll drop you like the fucking Twin Towers. See, I be on some other shit. Niggas be on some sucker shit. Homos and fads and for straight Dick Tucker shit. I be getting blowed on some straight Chris Tucker shit. Fuck up the high, I gotta pump them on my Joe Button shit. Chasing through the hood, now I got me on some hunting shit. I'm popping like the board game. He got me on some trouble shit. Hey, it's spitting down the middle. Had him on some double shit. Body punch falling off. Now I got him on some crumble shit. Boys, peace talking. I got him on they humble shit, but I ain't trying to hear it, dog. I'm on my ear mother shit. Fuck so I can hit his back. Had him on some bubble shit. He say he had asthma. You know I had to pump him quick. Niggas know who you fucking with. Niggas that I be fucking with. Spaz out quick. Get to loading up and bucket shit. Ain't surgery, but have you on some open stomach shit. Have you dropping and jumping all around on some crumping shit. Open niggas chest up like a fucking surgeon. Give a nigga the business. I'm on my young bird.